in loving memory of those who lost their lives in the flood of June 11th of 2010. All right, the Albert Pike recreational area, the swimming area. It's busy today. Memorial Day weekend. Okay, so some of these waterfalls I've been to before, some of them I haven't, so I don't really know if they're flowing good right now or not. We are having a rainy Memorial Day weekend, so I don't know, we'll see. But right now I am headed into the Albert Pike Rec area. I'm just driving through. And if you've watched any of my videos, you've seen this before. I've done videos of Albert Pike Vista, Window Rock, and several Eagle Rock Loop videos. So I mean, we got a nice flow, the Little Missouri River, but of course you're going to have that. So I don't know, but I'm headed to Blaylock Falls. This can get bumpy and rough. We'll see what it looks like today. This road will also take you to the Winding Stairs trailhead and hopefully to Blaylock Falls. The sun's trying to come out a little bit. So today I'm just going to see if I can find some waterfalls and just explore the Ouachitas a little bit. Alright, this is the Winding Stairs trailhead and it is packed. There's a bathroom there, trash there. Popular spot to go day hike and a popular spot for Eagle Rock Loop. Okay, I found it. And it's not running, barely, but it's a cool swimming spot and a rope swing and you can camp. Okay, falls number 1, Blaylock Falls. Not flowing. Well, barely flowing, so let's try the next one. Oh, and it is so humid here today. It's only 74 degrees and I'm literally just sweaty. The Little Missouri Trail goes right across right here, and it's also part of Eagle Rock Loop. Alright, now I'm headed to Little Missouri Falls, and I know 100% that it's flowing. People fly down these roads, and you need to be careful because there's wildlife out here. I've seen deer out here. They've crossed the road in front of me. Turkey. There could be bears out here. I haven't seen one yet, but they're out here. Let me specify on that statement. I have seen 4 black bears in the Ouachitas. 2 on the Ouachita Trail and 2 on Eagle Rock Loop, which is in this area. But I have never seen black bears specifically on this road or at Little Missouri Falls. But I did just see a deer. Oh my gosh, these orange flowers. I've been trying to video these or get pictures of them forever. And there's butterflies. Here comes a car. Four-wheel drive is not needed for these roads. All-wheel drive is not needed for these roads. I'm meeting somebody. I don't want to be in the ditch. Nice shot of my neck. But it's gonna be bumpy. I mean, you can make it in a car. You're just gonna beat the mess out of your car like I'm beating the mess out of mine. Missouri Falls, 1 mile. Alright, the amount of people here is insane, and they are still driving in. Memorial Day weekend. This is the craziest I've ever seen this place. Whew, I am sweating out here. Why did I not bring my swimsuit? Perfect little swimming spot with 50 other people. I didn't even bring a change of clothes. Man, it feels good. Resist, but I had to get in. You guys, 50 people? So wrong. I bet there's 100 people here. Probably 50 cars, 75 cars. But everybody's having a good time. Look at this. This is crazy. Alright, I'm just going to do a quick recap on Little Missouri Falls. Tons of people out here. Do not come out here on a holiday weekend. I don't know what I was thinking. Also, when you come to the river, bring a bathing suit because I'm soaking wet, but that's okay. I'm sitting on my poncho. So many people out here, so many side-by-sides, and the people on side-by-sides are like in t-shirt and jeans, and they're just standing up there watching people and drinking beer. So Arkansas. This is a great place to come, just maybe not on a holiday weekend. As now I'm looking for Crooked Creek Falls. It's only like 2.2 miles away from Little Missouri Falls. Okay, this has got to be the top of it. Cool. How pretty. I found Mosquito Gap Falls, but I don't know how I'm going to get down there. It's not going to be that way. Okay, I literally slid down that on my butt. This is gorgeous. If I don't have poison ivy after this trip, it's going to be a miracle. or run into a snake. Just shimmy. Oh, there's some right there too. This is so cool. I don't think I can make it back up where I came down. Like I literally slid. So I'm walking up the creek. But man, these rocks are slippery. As you saw, I slid all the way down a rock into the whole little swimming pool. I'm deep again. Ah! It's like a little paradise up here. And I'm gonna get back up right there. I am finally back to the pavement. I'm so sorry. And I am headed to Shady Lake. Whoa. It's lightning and thundering. I almost went the day without rain. I just drove through a thunderstorm. So now Blaylock Falls is probably flowing. It will be tomorrow at least. Shady Lake Dam. That is it for my waterfall adventure today in the Ouachitas. I had such a great time. I went swimming. It's a great place to be. Like always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. It is dark literally all around me. I think I'm about to drive into major thunderstorms.